This travel video is brought to you by Vidmate, the most powerful downloader of video and music. Search it on Google right now. So yesterday, if you have followed my vlog, then you might have watched one of the fantastic video. So today we're going to show the clip to the guy we filmed. So this is how will be his reaction. Here is Mr. Rizwan Babaji. Tulu.
उसके बाद अनिल बिस्तर के अंदर है हंस रहा है मतलब सो नहीं रहा आधे घंटे हो गए तब भी हंस रहा है।
कैसा लगा आपको आपकी अपनी स्कैंडल?
I was just sleeping. I was a little bit snoring, and I was so tired after the hectic day. Lot of kick turns we did.
Kick turns.
Yes, and
Kick, but where in turns?
kick to you and.
De? Chalo बैक हो रहा है। ये भी karşı yoğun şeye bakıyor ya, atlaşmalarını karşı.
लगती है?
ये सेंटर से लगाना है
हमेशा नहीं लगती है।
ये कश्मीरी मसाज हो रहा है जावेद का कश्मीरी टाइप ऑफ मसाज
Not massage, not massage.
It's not massage, it's physiotherapy.
फिजियोथेरेपी ओके
आबिद भाई क्या है?
Massage नहीं हो रहा है, it's a physiotherapy.
फिजियोथेरेपी गलत समझता है ना, ये साउथ इंडियन ऐसे ही होते हैं।
अपनी ऐप को छुपा मत मेरे दोस्त।
साले नॉर्थ इंडियन से साउथ इंडियन मार
कैसे कैसे पकड़ा कि हम लोग ने देखा है। We've caught you red-handed.
North India, South India कहे तो इंडिया वर्सेस नेपाल शुरू हो जाएगा।
Anil, so how did you like about your video?
अगर मेडिसिन नहीं लेने अगर
पसीने आ गए।
अच्छे से करना है फिर 100 रुपए डाल ले सकते
I liked it pretty much. Tit for tat, huh? Tit for tat. Remember properly.
And what is your suggestion to the viewers?
एक बार देना
Suggestion to the viewers is
ठीक हो जाओगे मतलब एक बार ले लेक्चर के मेडिसिन 100 रुपए डाल दे दो वगैरह आप ठीक हो जाओगे लेकिन उससे
ऐसे जालिम दोस्तों से बच के रहना। Any more questions, sir?
पास करता है जब एक बार ये रुक जाता है
ये क्या है? ये वो खुद खा खूनी। फिर से एक बार करना है? फिर से एक बार करना? नहीं वैसे नहीं। Facial expression. हम दोनों मिलके गाएंगे फिर, ठीक है? We will sing. Abid, you will also join us. Everybody join us.
Sure.
कौन सा गाना गाना है? छल्ली कर दे। तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। Hello, this is day 6th and day 6th of training, but we didn't have any training because of the snowfall and the slope is not good. So we are going outside with my 3 friends.
We are going to Highlands.
Highland, it's a
It's a
restaurant.
good Kashmiri restaurant.
Right? Okay.
So let's go.
Let's see. Finally, we reached at the Highland Park Hotel, and we came all the way
20 minutes walk.
20 minutes walk from our hostel. And beautiful how the crows are in this place. You know, it's like a desert and so cold. And here's my friend Rizwan from Bangalore. I always say from Bangalore. He might get pissed off sometime. Anyways, oh, that's the way to. No, bro. Yo, we reached finally, huh? Hello, Sudesh.
बड़ा बड़ा उस टाइप की चीजें खाना है। क्या मंगाया जाए?
Finally.
Here you see it looks like a curdish gravy with some pepper,
Chicken?
lot of pepper. No, it's mutton.
Oh, it's mutton. Yakni, huh?
This is Rogan Josh. I think
Rogan Josh.
Rogan Josh.
Rogan Josh.
I think it's more of a Mughlai dish. You get since you are Delhi wala.
We know.
Heavenly.
What's the taste? Busy and eating.
Very good.
And Mr. Bombay, how is the taste?
This is new taste at least, tangy
Tangy?
and
कुछ तो सॉस डालने पे उसका मतलब because of some chemical reaction
अच्छा
stay tangle. बोलना है क्या? Lunch was awesome.
Awesome.
मन भर गया, पेट भर गया.
मन भर गया, पेट भर गया. Oh, गुज्जू साहब. बराबर ना? Yeah, looks like a 5-star hotel, huh?
Looks like a 5-star hotel.
What did I tell you?
यहाँ पे लास्ट हम लोग जब किए mountain patches around that area.
Yeah, it's mountain behind it, I know.
You know, so we have a lot of snow around here, right?
बस बंद है ना?
This is actually good condition. We could have done.
Maybe, yeah. Smile रे बाबा, फ्री में.
अनिल महोता और मरविन पांडे और सिद्धेश्वर
महादेव की जय. So this is our IISM building.
This shows with the brush,
With the brush which we clean.
toilet cleaner brush.
I can clean your mouth with this, you know that?
My mouth is not so big.
This is so amazing, yeah. Seriously, look at my dresses. It's on the beard, huh? हर जगह है. Now I look better, huh? Now my face look like a Santa Claus probably. But the brown one.